Welcome to our latest listing in Peoria, Arizona. I'm Kevin Belzer with the Go Sold Group, powered by HomeSmart. Today we are at 8256 West Purdue Avenue in Peoria, Arizona. Now before going inside, let's take a look at the area. First on our stops is going to be this neighborhood park, which is walking distance from the home. So if you want to go play with the kids, just go take a walk, get away from things. You have this wide open space, steps away from the home. Let's go check out the other park that's less than a mile from here as well. All right, we showed you the neighborhood park, but we couldn't leave it there because less than a mile from the house is Pioneer Community Park. This park is huge. It's got fishing, splash pads, and you know in Splash Program, we absolutely love splash pads. We also have children's playgrounds, ramadas, baseball fields. It's got a little bit of everything over here. Even has a dog park. And who doesn't like having a Bow Wow Wow park close to the house? They're gonna be hooked up less than a mile from the home. Now for other activities, people always wanna know, that's great, what about shopping? Well, Westgate, where the Cardinals play, jobbing.com arena is and all that, you have shopping over there, you have restaurants, they're all within 10 minutes from the home. If you'd like something a little bit more mom and pop, well, you got Driftwood Coffee Company that's less than a half a mile from the house as well. And for you dog and cat lovers, how about a social club for dogs and cats? Furshire is less than a mile away as well. So if you want to get away for a weekend, don't worry, we got your pups and your kitties all taken care of there as well. Now for the amenities around the community, let's go back to the house. All right, we are back at the home. Let's go over the specs on this one. This home is a 2-story with a 2-car garage. It's 1,788 square feet, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath with a loft. Okay, so this home has been completely remodeled for the flooring, fresh paint in 2022, and is move-in ready. What I love about the first floor on this home is that it has the open concept, has a kitchen overlooking the great room. Kitchen has plenty of cabinets with a built-in pantry. Also, there's a half bathroom on the first floor. On the second floor, you're gonna have the main master bedroom with a walk-in closet, also a loft, 2 other bedrooms, an additional guest bathroom, as well as the laundry room. Because doesn't it just make sense for the laundry to be upstairs? Now let's not forget about the yard on this one. You have a maintenance-free yard, perfect for your pets or your barbecue setup, whatever you want to do. But it's a nice little no-maintenance yard, perfect for a family. If you'd like to set up a showing in this home, Phil and I make it super simple for you guys. You can go to our website, gosoldrealty.com, or give us a phone call at 480-305-6655. So until next time, bye.